So let's talk about the first one now. Ooh, ooh. The ooh sound is in the word move. Notice how my lips are puckered, tight, and forward. Ooh, move. If you don't bring your lips tight and forward, you are not going to make the correct sound. And if you don't do this right, the ooh will sound like and move will sound like move. And that is no good. Practice these words with me, making sure your lips are coming forward and that you're getting that clear ooh sound. Here we go. Blue, booth, news, juice, loosen, ruler, food, choose, mood, moving, loop, new, tooth, smooth, pool, moon, shoes, zoo, grew, room. Good. Okay, now let's go over these sentences. The room in the school was very cool. Tuesday at noon in the studio. Viewing the moon on June nights. Good. Okay, now let's try this paragraph. Do you remember the woman who lived in a shoe? She hadn't a clue what to do when her family grew. Well, through your help, they are moving in June into 2 big boots. Very good. Now, at times, you know, English pronunciation can be very confusing. Here is one of those times. There are many words that are spelled with a double O, as we just went over. And in most of these words, the vowels are pronounced as ooh. However, here's the confusing part. There are also many words that are spelled with a double O, but they are not pronounced with an ooh vowel. They are pronounced as which is a lower vowel. Let me show you. The word food has a double O, and it's pronounced as ooh, food, okay? But the word foot is also spelled with a double O, but it is pronounced with a lower vowel sound. Foot, food, foot, ooh, food, foot. You hear that? There's a whole bunch of words spelled with that double O but are pronounced with that lower vowel Let's practice some of those words now. Here we go. Foot, took, cook, shook, stood, good, look, book, wool, swoosh. Very good. Now, another word that gives many foreign speakers difficulty is the word word.